Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of custom cabinetry and how it can transform your California kitchen into a personalized masterpiece. Whether you're remodeling or building from scratch, custom cabinetry offers endless possibilities. Let's explore the benefits and why Ronbow is the go-to choice for homeowners. So, what exactly is custom cabinetry? Unlike standard off-the-shelf options, custom cabinetry is a personalized solution tailored to fit your unique space, style, and specific needs. It's not just about choosing a design from a catalog, it's about creating something truly one of a kind that reflects your personality and complements your home. Every detail, from the materials and finishes to the hardware and layout, is carefully crafted to suit your vision. It's all about you. And that's what makes custom cabinetry so special and rewarding. Custom cabinetry isn't just about aesthetics. It's about transforming your space to work for you in the most efficient way possible. It's designed to not only enhance the look of your home, but also to maximize space and functionality. Whether you're looking for extra storage in a cluttered kitchen, hidden compartments to keep things tidy, or innovative solutions for small and challenging spaces, custom cabinetry can do it all. It's about creating a space that's as practical as it is beautiful, tailored to meet your daily needs and make your home more organized and efficient. At Ronbow, we believe in using the highest quality materials and craftsmanship to ensure your custom cabinets last for years. Our cabinets are not only beautiful, but built to withstand the daily wear and tear of a busy kitchen. So, why choose Ronbow for your custom cabinetry? We offer a seamless design process, expert craftsmanship, and a commitment to sustainability. Plus, our team is with you every step of the way to ensure your dream kitchen becomes a reality. Ready to start personalizing your California kitchen with Ronbow? Contact us today to schedule a free consultation with our design experts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more custom cabinetry tips and inspiration. See you next time.